Nakir kay si Jenny kay Kuan. Nagbuot-buot siya, naaalis daw kami. Tapos pagdating ni Wayne dito sa bahay, tulog ako. Kay nag-arrange na pala sila ng Kuan, ng day out. Tapos hindi ko man lang alam. Sabi niya na, Daddy, lalabas daw tayo. Sabi ni Mami. Tapos gibok ng kanilang tatay. Hindi ko alam. Ngayon, pagdating ni Wayne, sabi niya, anong nangyayari? Ganun na siya sa akin. Sabi ko, ha? Kaya nag-book daw siya ng Kuan. Day out. Naabot niya. Buot-buot man si Jenny. Ha? Hey! Baby! Ba? Ba, hindi ako nakakuha ng musilin. Jack. So, aalis kami today. Gabi na.
You got a room there.
Smells damp na.
It's because it's not used, not ghost powder. I'll have to run now, won't it?
Look. I think I need wet wipes for Jack. Mga ready lagi kay buot mo dito Jenny boy. Ayan ang wet wipes. Kuan na lang oy musilin. So, as yung wet wipes. Di naman kakain si Jack. Ako lang. Ana. I'll just get this. Yes, this one.
What? Mommy said properly, but you won't.
Did she arrange it with you, Dai?
Yeah, I thought you was next to it.
What time?
About an hour ago. No, about 3:45, was it? I thought, oh, you want to go to Toby? I thought, okay, then maybe it was window.
I didn't even know.
And then she said, I said, get ready then, okay. And then Jenny was saying, book the table. And then she's phoned me back, have you booked the table yet? I said, no, not yet. Book the
Really?
table. So I booked the table at 5:30, and I said, yeah, I've booked the table.
Really?
Yeah. And all this was going on, you were sleeping. Jennifer Lawless. Jennifer
I was
Lawless.
shocked when you said what's going on because in my mind I'm expecting we're going to Morrison's
Yeah, I thought going to Morrison's after we go to Toby.
and I was like
I thought
what's
you
going
were
on?
sleepy.
I was like what's going on?
Jeez.
I thought that, Mommy, I thought you wasn't sleepy.
And she's saying to me, Mommy, you remember I asked you a while ago? I said,
I said, yes, she did.
what?
She said, she wants to go to Toby, and you said, you have to ask Daddy.
I didn't remember. Oy.
That's what I should have
Like a while ago.
done. We can go all over. We leave Mummy and Jackie in bed and we imagine that. Where are you, honey? Oh, me, Jessica and Jennifer are in Toby. We're in Toby having fun.
Because I was asleep. Crazy. Oh my gosh, somebody's there, honey. Oh my gosh, how come you can enjoy that? It's too cold. Yeah, there is somebody there. Oh my gosh. Hala ka, Oy, di ay aning mata na mo. His eyes is all covered. Ha? Ha? Ang madam natin no, na nag-arrange nitong ating night out. Jennifer. Madam yun ka, oy. Tawang-tawa yung kanyang daddy. Si Jack andun ay. Kinarga ni Wayne. I think 30 minutes early kami. Iwan ko kung ipapasok tayo. Ha?
Early.
We're early?
I thought we were just going to bar and sit down in the bar for an hour. Up on the left.
Oh, I like their Christmas tree. Look at their Christmas tree lang. Jenny, come on. It's nice. Jack, oh, daghan balls, oh. Yeah, he's looking around the balls. He can see the balls. Jack, oh. Ang gaganda nito, oh. Balls nila, ang lalaki. Jackie boy. Hi. Butan kaya na siya. Say hi, daddy.
Oh, you didn't bring in no toy.
The madam that arranged our dinner.
Look at the light.
You arranged our dinner. Crazy.
What's you beside Jenny?
Huh?
What's you beside Jenny?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Downstairs.
Goodness. Jack!
Are you going to share my...
Thank you so much. Is your ice cream lang? Do you wanna go there? Ang cute ng ice cream nila, oh. Ice cream na si Jenny. You have ice cream? Where's the toy?
JJ. JJ, look at the ice cream.
Me and JJ are sharing strawberry.
Oh my god.
What do you want? How do you want to do it with Jenny?
What do you want?
I want cookie.
Strawberry.
Do you want me to do a strawberry for you?
Go.
Come on then.
This is my spoon.
Yummy?
Look, my spoon.
Uy, asa mo toy? Mahulog!
Play with his toys.
Kain tayo. Si Jenny, oh. Agoy, nag-ice cream. Oh, si Jack yung toy.
It's cold.
Nagising man ni ang ating bata. Gising ikaw, Jack. Get the trolley, Jack. JJ. Dito kami sa Morrison. Bili muna kami. Ang mga bata, oh. Ang mga bata na nag-arrange sa aming day out. Si Jack ba nagising siya ay niya. Dako kay iyang mata. Go here. Jenny, you said you want to go toilet. It's in here, honey. Near the toilet. Go with Jenny, cow. She want to go toilet.
Why are they upside down?
There you go. Si Jack. Nagising na naman si Jack. Uuwi na kami kay Intawon. Paracetamol dati. Si Jenny. Ala, bubble bath. Madam, nag-request ng bubble bath.
Aisle, is it?
Yeah. You okay, JJ?
Yeah.
Uwi na kay nag-request na si Madam. Kalibangon daw siya. Naunsa naman ni siya, oy. Hi, reindeer. What? What is it?
I wish.
Not here. It's in the other aisle. Here. Si Jenny bitaw kay grabe yun ni siya nga bata kay daghan kaayo kuan request. I think there. Yeah, that there. Si Jack, oh, relax na relax lang yung ating bata. Where is it? Wala, magkuha man day pala ako sana ng shampoo, no? Next time na lang. Ha? Which bubble bath you want? Nagbayad na kami. Nandun sila, okay, nakakita ng bird. Yung bird, ayun ay. Yan. Plant yan na bird. Dong, ding, dong, ding, ding. Jack. Jack. Hello. Jack. 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 Smile ka, mommy, be. Hoy, smile sa kang mami o kang titas, be. One time, be. Jack. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hee. Smile, be. Uy, hala, nandito pala ako sa daanan. Dito tayo passport, ding dong, ding dong. Hala. Nak, there's a candy, ay. There. On the floor. Maybe it's dirty. Throw it. Hali na lang. Give that ba? Gaaway ng dalawa, oh. Grabe ang saging, oh. Pasok na tayo. Karating din kami dito sa bahay. Where's Jack? Ah. Hala, look at him. That's where he bumped his head, honey.
Oh, is it? Sorry, I put it down.
Naka-faint na naman inyong inday. Binalik ko lang ito, oy, kay pang tulog. What? Kuat si Wayne, meron kaming nililihim sa inyo.
2 more days.
2 more days. Tomorrow days, Wayne will help me.
No more. Tomorrow we make Jack's brother.
Hindi mo make joke, brother. Look. Oh no. Sorry lang. Ano yun? Sabi ko, nawala mo ako sa aking brain cell kay si Wayne kasi meron kami nililihim ni Wayne sa inyo na sobrang tagal na. And hopefully, malalaman ninyo soon and very soon. Sikreto muna for now. Lihim muna namin for now. And malalaman nyo lang yan for ala. Uy, mata na noon si Jack. Basta ilang kuan na yun. Ilang buwan na namin yan nililihim sa inyo. Alit lang, iswing na lang na ka naman nila. Hindi na sleepy ka. Patulog ko na muna to kay Murag. Hindi. O, nag-burp. Good job. O, ilang buwan na namin yan nililihim ni Wayne sa inyo. At alam ko yun sa aking sarili. Alam niya din alam niya din sa kanyang sarili. But for now, we'll just keep it secret for now. In a few, malalaman nyo din ito. Kasi sasabihin ko man sa inyo, pag ready na si Inday LG ninyo, sasabihin ko na talaga sa inyo lahat ng aming mga nililihim sa inyo. Kasi part kayo ng family eh. But for now, sikrito muna. Hindi muna kayo part ng family. Joke lang bitaw eh. Taga to, alam ko yan at ni Wayne. Pero hindi ko muna sasabihin sa inyo. Soon and very soon na. And I hope maintindihan nyo muna na bakit namin tinatago for now. But i-explain ko sa inyo later on. Pag isasabihin na namin sa inyo. I'll explain kung bakit. I-explain namin ang lahat ng mga kailangan i-explain. And for now, good night. And thank you for watching. For Inday LG today video. I hope ito nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Kahit anong pang mangyayari na boring-boring na inyong Inday, I hope nag-enjoy pa rin kayo. And malapit ang Christmas tree. Ay, malapit na ang Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. God bless. Thank you all for watching. And patulog ko muna ito si Jack. Bye-bye.